Welcome to Training at the Beach, Part 3. In this video, we'll learn the importance of color and meaning and how to add alt text to images to accessible documents in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Adobe Acrobat 11 Pro. Color and meaning. The third requirement in creating accessible documents is to pay close attention to color and meaning. This is a big one. The use of color can enhance comprehension, but avoid using color alone to convey information. That information may not be available to a person who is colorblind and will be unavailable to screen reader users. If you use color to convey meaning, such as a pie chart, include a text description to make the graphic accessible. Here's an example. Here you'll see a map indicating new and future construction sites shown by blue and red boxes. For someone who is red-blue colorblind, they will see nothing but shades of the same color. Now, can we use blue and red? Sure we can. Here's the same map shown in an accessible form. Red and blue are used, but we've also incorporated shape to visually show the difference. Add alt text to all images. The fourth requirement in creating an accessible document in Word or PowerPoint is to add alt images to all images in your documents. Every image requires alt text. Alt text, short for alternative text, will be read aloud to describe the picture when a screen reader is used. Also, when there are images added to the top of an existing image to increase comprehension, like an arrow, the images should be converted into one single image, not multiple images, and not using Word's group images function. It is necessary to add alternative text for all images in this document. The alternative text is read by screen readers and is also seen on mouseovers for web images. To add alternative text in Word 2016, right-click on the image and select Format Picture. In the Properties pane that appears to the right, click the Layout Properties button. Under Alt Text, enter a description in the description field. Note that it is not recommended to use the title field. Most screen readers will read the description field, some will not read the title field. Table formatting. The fifth requirement is table formatting. Data displayed in tables can be problematic for screen readers. Users create tables to hold data, but sometimes will also create a table for the layout. Please note that tables should not be used for the layout. The Section 508 standards inform users that data tables must be accessible. To ensure your tables are accessible, 1. Use simple tables as opposed to complex. With the very first cell that you enter, split, or merge, that table becomes complex and is no longer accessible. 2. Avoid complicated formatting. Data should be laid out from left to right and top to bottom without gaps. 3. Tables need to have a header row identified. Include one row and/or column headers, arranging data from left to right. A complex, inaccessible table may contain merged cells, split cells, or complicated formatting. Here's an example. A simple accessible table will have no merged or split cells, basic formatting, and data arranged in a top to bottom and left to right fashion, as shown on the screen. Finally, table header tags are required for a screen reader to appropriately decipher data in a table. In Word 2016, you can automatically add header tags by using repeat rows. To set your table up with header tags, right-click the header row and select Table Properties. Click on the Row tab and select the checkbox next to Repeat as Header Row at top of each page. Click OK to save changes, and this will allow a screen reader to correctly associate data in the table with the correct row and column header.